napakasarap ng aming pagkain today, guys. So we have a very delicious mixed vegetable. Plus our favorite, our all-time favorite meat, flavored marinated with bacon. Napakasarap naman talaga. Lami! Lami! Magigay ko ayo. Perfect ko ayo, oy. So, ayun na nga. Ano pa? Ano pa inaantay natin? Diba? So, malamang lalapang na tayo, kakain na tayo. Let's try this very delicious vegetable. Ito talaga favorite ko kasi it's mixed vegetable. Yummy. Huh? Sarap, guys. Look at, itsura pa lang. Diba, Tara Serrano? Look at the appearance. Oh my God. How it looks like. You can really tell. Gaano kasarap. Diba? So, tikman natin. God bless. With the corn. Ang sarap. Broccoli. Hindi. Ang sarap. So yummy. Lami, my love? Wow. Diba? So, ganyan ang pagkain namin today. Simple. Lab. Diba? Simple but very yummy. O yan, oh. Diba? Tsura pa lang, day. Mapapawaw ka na. Tsura pa lang. Kaya ano pa inantay natin? That's it, everyone. We are Makulay na Buhay USA Live. Love you all.